And I think keeping it simple. I think the more simpler that you keep the message out and we don't complicate it for people, it's so overwhelming to think about all these things. So I think the most important thing is for people to know that there is help out there, and that the quality of life does not need to be enhanced by a predicament that you might find yourself in. You know, that your quality of life is not going to, don't let what happens to you in life define you. You get to define you, and we're here to help you do that. And I think that's so important to keep it simple, you know, to not overwhelm people. Oh my gosh, I think people have a visual of like a bulldozer coming in and totally disrupting their house, you know, and that's overwhelming to them. So I think, you know, reassuring, especially our elder population or a person who finds himself in a predicament that they weren't in last week because of an auto accident, keeping it simple and really talking to people. I think that one of the things that we're losing in this country in general is the face-to-face, is the sitting down with someone and being empathetic in a way that's sincere, you know, and we're texting and we're doing all of this, but we're not doing the face-to-face.